Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a wear test on my Revlon Photoready Eye Art. I saw this colour in the shop and just fell in love with it. It's a beautiful rose gold colour and it's got a metallic kind of looking liquid eyeshadow on one end and a glitter on the other. So it's the base is sort of a rose gold kind of colour. For some reason I can't talk today. And it's got little glitters in it that come up sort of purple and green and blue, and it's just really pretty. I've swatched it on my hand, so the metallic side on its own, it comes in a doe foot applicator on that side. It looks like this, and then the glitter on its own looks like this, and that has a kind of a brush, synthetic brush, and then both of them together look like this. So that's the glitter on top of the metallic. Hopefully you can see that. And I really love that kind of rose gold colour, and I thought it would go really well with my new Chi palette, which is why I bought it. And so I thought those colours would go really well with these colours in my Chi palette, the top row. And I want to do a bit of a wear test today and see if it lasts well on my dry wrinkly eyelids or not, and if it does then it'll be a great product and I'll be able to buy some more colours. But before I invest in more colours I want to test them out. So let's go and see how to so let's try that again. Let's go and see how it applies to my eyes and how it wears. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Chi Diva Palette and find some colours for the crease. So I'm going to go in with this lightest shade first. I'm just going to use that on a fluffy brush. So I have primed my eyes, and I didn't powder this time because I just wanted to see what would happen with these shadows without powdering the primer down. And then I'm just going to go into this colour here. I'm going to put that in my crease. Then I'm going to go into my Revlon Photoready Eye Art in, I can't find the name, Prism Peach. I'm going to go into this side first, which is the metallic kind of colour. It's got a doe foot applicator. Then I'm going to go all over my lid. And I'm going to grab a flat brush and I'm just going to spread out the edge. Getting it all over my eyelashes. That's what that is looking like. I've just realised that on this label you have to actually peel this bit up for the directions. So I'm going to read the directions now that I've put them on. So it says, apply cream shadow to lid and let dry. Add sparkle on lid as liner or on lashes. So you can put it on your lashes as well. That's different. So I have to wait till this dries. It's not quite dry yet. I have to wait a little bit longer. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm just going to put some black eyeliner in my waterline. I'm using my Rimmel one. Okay, so that's dry now, so I'm going to go in with the glitter side, and I'm going to go over that metallic colour. I think I'll just go halfway. It's a really pretty colour. So if this stays on and lasts throughout the day, I would be quite happy to get other colours on of this, but I wanted to test this one out first to see if it was going to work or not. So I'm going to put some mascara on. I'm just going to put my False Lash X Fibre L'Oreal mascara. So it says you can put this on your eyelashes, but if I did that you wouldn't be able to see my eyelashes, would you? Probably can't see it on screen, but probably just looks like I have been really bad at adding my glitter, and it's made my lashes all clumped together, so you can see the difference. So we might be combing it out. Which apparently is really hard to do. To unclump them. That's a bit better. I've just basically taken all that off again, so putting them on my eyelashes is not for me. I'm just going to do my lower lash. I'm using my telescopic L'Oreal mascara for that. So I quite like it just like that, with nothing underneath, but just for the sake of playing I'll put some underneath. So I'm going to go back into my Chi Diva palette, and I'm just going to go into that first colour that we used. And then I'm going to go into this colour here, and I'm going to use an angled brush. And I'm just going to go back in with the glitter. And I'm going to put a little bit just in the centre here. And you should wait till your mascara is properly dry before you do that. That wasn't a good move. So that's what that looks like. Just wanted to update you on how this lasted, and I'll give you some close-ups of what my eyes look like. When I put this on for a second time, it actually stung my eyes. It didn't do it for very long and it wasn't really bad, but because my eyes are quite sensitive and they'll get rashy if anything annoys it too much, it makes me quite reluctant to use this too often. So that was something that I noticed when I applied it the second time on the second day that I used it. Hi there, it's been about 6.5 hours, I think, since I did my makeup, and I haven't done anything except reapply my lipstick, so I haven't touched it up at all. And you can see the glitter hasn't travelled too much around my face. There's a little bit in here, but I'm not finding it all over my cheeks, which is quite good. But about 2 hours in, I lost it all just in these inner parts here, and you can see that it's lifting, and these bits it's sort of flaking off. If you can see that, and these bits here are flaking off. This here are just literally flaking off there. You can see that. So that's not great. So I don't think it's as good as I was hoping it would be, but it's not terrible, and maybe if you didn't have really wrinkly eyelids it wouldn't do that. My eyelids are quite dry as well, so I'm not sure what it would do on an oily eyelid. And it has, like you can see, it's broken up all along here, and it's all come off along here. Yeah, so it doesn't last that well. I feel like some of the other kind of glitter ones that I've used have worked better than this one. I was hoping that if I used this, the base that comes with it, it would last longer, because I have used this glitter over eyeshadow before and it did the same thing. Whatever they use to stick the glitter on your lid with, it flakes off, and when it flakes off it takes everything underneath it as well. So it's not just the glitter flaking off, but if you use it over eyeshadow it'll take all the eyeshadow off as well. So I won't be buying any more of these. I really love this colour. This colour is really gorgeous, and as just a little bottom bit, I feel like it's alright on the bottom. Maybe the idea is to just put it on bare skin really thinly, and then maybe you won't get it flaking off. But that was a bit disappointing. So I'm still searching for a nice rose gold glitter then. So thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed that video, and we'll see you next time.